Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making a spiced latte smoothie, holiday, autumn, fall flavors. I won't be really commenting in this one. This is the ASMR version without any background music. Let me know what you think in the comments.
It's not want as much, but this is the tea. All right. Put coconut water, so I don't want it to be too thick. I don't want it to be ice cream. So it's almost up to that, but not quite. Put 1 tablespoon. A little bit. That's all. That looks like plenty. Just enough to make a little black mark. And then ginger. Just a little. Oh. Yes. Yeah, that's probably fine. And cayenne. Just a little. Yeah, that's fine. Just a little bit of spice. And some salt. Pinch of salt. That should be it. Let's see how that tastes. Not open until blades stop. What's that? Wow. Very thick and creamy. Oh, I forgot the vanilla. You want some?
If you are looking to go completely alkaline and transform your health and life, you can reach out to me. There's a link in the bottom of the description for a free consultation, but only if you're serious about it. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.